Are you overthinking a lot and slowly damaging your own life? Are you feeling stuck because the same thoughts keep repeating again and again? Then this video is for you. Don't skip. Watch till the end. At night, you can't sleep. You keep thinking about your past mistakes and worrying about your future. Or when you open Instagram, you feel like everyone is happy and only your life is not going well. Even when you sit to study, a thought comes like, "This is too much. I can't do this. This is not normal. This is actually a dangerous sign." Your mind is like a machine. You can make it work for you, but only if you have control over it. If not, it will start working against you. In the book, The Power of Now, the author says, "Your problem is not the situation. Your problem is your thoughts. More than what happens to you, it is your thoughts about it that damage your mind. You feel scared to study, thinking you might fail. Because of that thought, you don't even start studying. So the real problem is not the exam. It is your negative thoughts. First, when a negative thought comes, just identify it. Tell yourself, this is just a thought created by my mind. That awareness itself is powerful. Here's a concept inspired by Atomic Habits. Think less. Start small. Don't try to stop overthinking completely. Instead, take small action for just 5 minutes. Example, if you can't study, tell yourself, okay, today I will just read 1 page. Start small and build momentum. What you watch and listen to builds your thoughts. Reduce negative content. Add more positive content into your life. Even I used to overthink a lot, but now I've learned to control it. You cannot completely stop negative thoughts, but you can control them. Improve just 1% every day. Your life will change. Okay, we've reached the end of the video. If this video was useful, give it a like. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.